In this video, I'm going to talk about a functionality within the chat application called as consultation. Now, this is mainly available only to the agent who is having a conversation with the customer. Now, consult activity is basically having a consultation with another agent or supervisor just to get more information on the case and maybe at a possible time, maybe transfer to that particular agent or supervisor. But consultation is mainly around getting some additional information from subject matter experts within your organization. So, as you see over here in the screen, now on the left hand side, you will see the conversation with the customer. So, this is agent screen, and agent is having some conversation with the customer. Now, if the agent is not able to handle those issues properly, then they can start a consultation session, and then on the right hand side you will see a consultation session with your internal team members, which can be an agent, supervisor, or your colleagues. And this conversation will not be shown to the end user. This is like your internal communication. Okay, so think about it. Customer asked you a query and you are not able to resolve this. You can start a consultation session, and then you can ask your colleague in the back end, and the colleague can respond to your query, and then you can transfer those information over here and then resolve the case. Now, as a supervisor, you can monitor, assign, transfer, or end conversation that are being handled by your agents. Now, when you monitor conversations, you can understand how they are being handled by your agents and also check whether any conversation needs your immediate attention. Now, agents can also start a consult session with the colleagues or supervisor to get this issue resolved quickly and amicably. So, let me show you in action, then all this information will be clear. Okay, now if you see here on the left hand side, I'm a customer and I'm having conversation with an agent. Okay, over here. So, maybe if I say I have an issue, okay, so issue with Surface Book, and maybe I'll put some issue details. Okay, so it's a say blue screen. Okay, now let's assume that agent is not able to resolve this issue, and agent might have no idea about this particular topic. Then what agent can do? Now this agent is Alex. Okay, so this agent is Alex. This is a customer. Now agent wants to have a consultation session. Okay, so let me show you this conversation over here as well. Let me lock the screen. Okay, yeah. Now here, agent can click over here and say start a consultation session. So when the agent clicks on start a consultation session, the uh, his colleague or supervisor or any other agent within the organization will be able to address those requests. So if I click here start a consultation session, I will be shown a list of people who are available currently. Okay, so let me see if there are anyone available. Currently, I don't see anyone available. So let me go into my name. Okay, and let me see. So this is Girish, which is like a like an another agent. Okay, now let me see if I can find any other agent. Okay, so let me click on consult, and I can see that Girish is available. Okay, now Girish is available, so maybe I will click on Girish and say add. Okay, so what will happen is on the right hand side you might see the conversation being added. Okay, so Girish will receive a consultation session over here, consult request, and I Girish will accept the conversation from the agent, internal agent, and now as an agent will see all this information. Okay, so here as an agent I will tell uh, hey Girish, customer needs info on blue screen. Okay, and then maybe Girish might say ask them to refer to 101 manual. Okay, and then Alex might transfer this information and sell to the customer refer 101 manual. and then the customer will this information, and the customer say happy with the resolution. Okay. So what we have done over here is that we have asked our internal colleague, means we have consulted with the internal colleague and then got the help. And the internal colleague has helped us. And after this consultation session, the agent can end the consultation session, or maybe the consult session can be turned off or left by the leave consultation session by the consulted agent. Okay, so you can click on leave, and this conversation is now closed. Okay, now this is how you can get this information. Now, as a supervisor, so let's assume, say I'm a supervisor. So Girish is a supervisor. The supervisor can also monitor, okay, the conversation which is happening, and they can also, say, if you click on monitor over here, they can also monitor and see what's going on. Okay, so let me show you this one. Okay, so here I'm the supervisor. Okay, and I'm monitoring what's happening within the chat. And here, now this is other way around. Here, the supervisor or the say maybe any other agent will consult. Okay, rather than getting requested for the consultation, they can join the consultation session, and then they can click over here, join consult with agent, and they can initiate that conversation. So here again, the conversation session has started, but this time now agent has not requested, but the consultation agent has requested this conversation based on the uh, activities happening within the chat. So there's like two different ways through which you can have those consultation session enabled. Okay, and yeah, that's it, folks. So this is all about getting help from your colleague if you are not able to resolve any issue as an agent, or as a proactive approach, a supervisor can uh, do that let's say they can initiate that conversation before even the agent consult them, so that the issue can be resolved with the customer in a quick amount of time. So that's it, folks. This is all about consultation session in Dynamics 365 customer service omnichannel application. Thanks for watching.